Hello, dear students. This is Chandan sir from Swami Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Junior College. I welcome all of you in our reputed Swami Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Junior College. And again, I want to congratulate all of you who have passed their 10th standard with flying colors. As today's session is English lecture. Now, before starting exact English, just a glance at the syllabus and paper pattern of English, that is 11 standards English. As on the screen you will see your cover page of textbook. This is your textbook English Yuva Bharati standard 11, and first of all we will just see the index of your, that is index means the contents of your total English syllabus. This is the detailed index of your textbook, and just see your syllabus is divided into 4 parts as on the screen. The first part is, that is the section 1, prose section. In that there are 6 lessons. I am going to read. 1.1 being neighborly, 1.2 on to the summit, we reach the top. Third one, the call of the soil. The fourth one, pillars of democracy. 1.5, that is the fifth, Mrs. Eddy's. And 1.6, that is the Tiger Hills. All the lessons are very inspirative lessons and very beautiful and nice lessons, but unfortunately the first lesson is omitted by the educational department due to corona. Now the second part, that is section 2, having poetry section. The first poem is a cherry tree, very beautiful poem written by Ruskin Bond. The second poem, The Sower. The third poem, There is Another Sky. It is a very inspirative, motivational poem. 2.4, Upon Westminster Bridge. Now the fifth one, that is 2.5, Nose versus Eyes. It is something comedy, humorous poem. And the last one, The Planners. But you will not study this poem because it is again omitted part. The Planners poem has been omitted from the syllabus. The third part, the section 3, writing skills. Yes, you are very much familiar with this writing skill as you have studied in the 10th standard. In that, expansion of ideas. Yes, you are familiar with this, you know this part. Blog writing is quite new for you, but it is an essential part because it is a computer age, so we must write a blog. Now emails, it is also important part. Interview, film review, and the last one, the art of comparing, that is anchoring. And the last one part, section 4, genre drama. In that 4.1, history of English drama. What will be there? In that section there will be exact the beginning of drama, what is meant by drama, the types of dramas, and the eras, that is the periods of dramas. And the next part, the 4.1, the rising of the moon. It is exact drama given to you for your study. And the 4.3, extracts of drama. There are 2 extracts of dramas, that is it is not full drama, some part of dramas will be there. In that first A Midsummer Night's Dream, and the B is An Enemy of the People. That it is all about the contents of textbook, that is the syllabus. Now we will turn to your paper pattern. Okay, it is just a different paper pattern from your 10th standard, and some part will be there. It is quite new for you, but you have to study for fetching more marks. Now turn to the paper pattern. Now in paper pattern, as we have seen, there are four parts. That is, the syllabus has been divided into four parts, and each part carries some specific marks. Here we see the prose section carries 34 marks. In that section, there will be the first scene passage, which is from your textbook, and first paragraph, that is the first passage, carries 12 marks, and the marks, these 12 marks are divided into 6 questions: the A1 global understanding, A2 complex factual, A3 inference interpretation analysis. In a simple manner, I can say that A1, A2 and A3 are just activities. And what will be there? In activity section, you know very well, there will be fill in the blanks, correct the options, choose the correct options, make the correct order, web will be there, match the following will be there. But in A4, there is a personal response. In A5, language study, that is the grammar part. And A6, there will be vocabulary, that is word power. And second, these each question carries 2 marks. There are 6 questions, so it becomes 12 marks. Now, second, that is B, language study. Question number 1B, language study, carries 4 marks. Out of that, for B1, do as directed, that is a transformation of sentence. In that, it includes change the voice, degree, question tag, that means all type of grammar. And the B2 is a spot the error. Yes, you had this part in 10th standard. Spot there will be one sentence, in that there will be some grammatical mistake. You have to find that mistake and you have to correct that mistake. So it is part 2, part B. Now question number 2A, it is same to same, that as like of question number 1A. Again there are 6 questions. Again there are A4 personal response, 1, 2, 3 activities, A4 personal response, A5 language study, and A6 vocabulary. Now here is B. Yes, you also came across with this part in 10th standard, summary writing. You know very well, you have to make this paragraph short in 1/3 style. It carries a 3 marks. Again there is a C part, question number 2B, 2C part, note making. You knew this part, note making. You will be given one paragraph. After reading that paragraph, you have to make tree diagram using that information, pie chart, wave, flow chart, etc., or vice versa. There will be tree diagram, pie chart, wave, and you have to write one paragraph. It is very simple. Now come to the poetry section. It carries 14 marks. Prose section carries 34 marks. Poetry section carries 14 marks. Here the question number 3A has 5 sub questions: A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. In A1 and A2 there are activities, fill in the blanks, correct the order, like that. In A3 personal response as usual, A4 poetic device, and A5 poetic creation. That means whatever you study through the poems, you have to create one poem. That means you have to become poet. Very nice idea. So the poem will be for 10 marks, and again there is a small part of poem, that is appreciation. It will come in question number 3b. Appreciation. Yes, you also came across with this part, appreciation, in 10th standard. It is not different part, it is not new for you. Read the extract and write as per the instructions. In that we write the title, we write the name of author or poet, and opinion, that is a language study, poetic devices. A very nice part is this. And the number 4 section carries 16 marks. Complete the activities. As I said, the first part is A. You have to write email or letter writing. Oblique means or. And here is only formal letter, as you had in 10th standard informal and formal, but from 11th and for 12th standard there is only formal letter. Number 2, that is B, expansion of ideas, blog writing and film review. For C, appeal, leaflet, report writing, view counter view. And for D, speech writing, comparing, dialogue writing and interview. Okay, and it carries 4 marks. That means it becomes 16 marks. Okay, writing skill had 16 marks. Here now drama section. Here comes drama section. In that there are again 4 parts, 4 sub questions. In a question there are again 2 sub questions carrying 2 marks. It becomes 4 marks. For question number 5b there are again 2 questions having 2 marks. That means it is for 4 marks. Same, answer in about 50 words to the question given below. And just keep in mind, my dear students, there will be no paragraph. For drama section there will be no paragraph. You have to cram that subject. You have to recite all the parts, you have to remind all the parts, and there will be only question, not seen unseen paragraph. So you have to go through, or you have to pay attention very. You must have the profound knowledge about this drama. And the last part is again like that, answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. Again it carries 4 marks, but there are 2 questions having 2 marks each. The first one is same, describe or explain. You have to explain or describe one character from that drama. In drama there are so many characters. And compare, contrast or name or discuss. Number 2 is illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find and identify. Okay, so this is all about your English syllabus. And due to corona there will be 25% reduction of your syllabus, but I can say only one lesson is reduced and only one poem is reduced. The first lesson is reduced, being neighborly, and the last poem 2.6 is reduced, that is the planners. So from the next lecture we will start exact lessons. So, for today, it is enough. Thank you.